Good evening. Welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. There's a new name in the automotive financing space. Stewart Finance is now the financing arm of the Stewart's Automotive Group, taking over from Barbados-based Simpson Finance. I recently spoke with the managing director of the Stewart's Automotive Group, Jacqueline Stewart-Leckler, on the new venture. After an 8-year stint, the Barbados-based Simpson Finance and Stewart's Automotive Group vehicle financing partnership came to an end, making way for a new player in the market. Stewart Finance is now the credit arm of the Stewart's Automotive Group. The company says despite the current inflationary climate, it has a unique value proposition. The company's financing options are being backed by NCB Capital Market.
It's not a one-size-fits-all. We can talk about residual financing, deposit terms, how many years you want to go, you name it. And then the sweetener is we offer insurance premium financing.
But with the Bank of Jamaica's decision to up the policy interest rate to 1.5%, most Jamaicans are concerned about borrowing rates generally. Stewart's managing director Jacqueline Stewart-Leckler says their offering is not fixed on interest rates.
We don't actually speak about interest rates because we decide how does the deposit mix look, what's the residual value, what's the monthly payment. So it's a mixed bag. What do we do with the administration fees? So at the end of the day, we're just as competitive as what's out there in the marketplace, but just put together in a different package.
While the new financing arm offers additional leverage for the company, the automotive industry has been one hard hit by the pandemic and associated shocks.
I do think that we need to just be a little mindful that prices could be changing not only in our industry, but all over, due to exactly what you said, high freight and shipping costs, and there are also some parts supply issues that may affect many industries, not just ours. We're hoping that the markets will sort themselves out before it could become a problem for us.
The persisting semiconductor shortage is also impacting some lines of vehicles. Despite these factors, the company is hoping to see a 5% improvement in earnings this year compared to 2020. In the coming months, the group is also looking to expand its current offerings. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ intervened in the foreign exchange market for the fourth time this week today. The bank sold $20 million to authorized dealers and cambios through a flash sale. The central bank has pumped $90 million into the market this week. And the US dollar is selling for an average $151.58. The Canadian currency is trading at $123.36. $209.03 is the going rate for the pound and $180.36 for the euro. The JSE index lost 708 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 20 points. Today's session closed with the top advances being Portland JSX, Siboney Group, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Nuts Fed Express, and Jamaican Teas. While on the losing side were JMMB Group 5.75% US dollar preference shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, T-Tech, Pulse Investments, and Palace Amusement. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. News from overseas right after the break.